Good morning. The organization I choose to carry out in the individual assignment is very well known and sees technology as the very source of its production of value and its economic offer. Founded in 2000 in the USA, it aggregates reviews 66 million in 2018 alone and options from a large community of travelers to help users make informed decisions about their travel plans. It has always been considered an organization made by travelers for travelers, and this makes it authentic, clean, non-commercial, and therefore credible. You will certainly have understood that this is Tripadvisor, an American online travel company that operates a global platform that provides reviews, recommendation, and reservation for travel-related content. Tripadvisor's website and mobile app feature millions of listings for accommodation, restaurants, experiences, airlines, and cruises, making it a one-stop resource for travelers seeking information and advice. And Tripadvisor offers a booking feature allowing travelers use to book hotel, holiday homes, flights, and experiences directly through the site, making it an OTA operating according to a model that combines advertising revenues from hotel and restaurant with booking commissions from travel partners. Revenues for 2023 were 1.788 million of USD, with an up of 20% year over year. But, as we can say, like all the organization, Tripadvisor must constantly monitor its target market. And to do this, a good tool is provided by the Swot, SWOT analysis. So let's get to know the strength and weakness of Tripadvisor, as well as the opportunities and threats that are provided by the market. Of course, we start with these strengths. They have a strong brand recognition. As one of the first and largest travel review websites, Tripadvisor have earned strong brand recognition and trust among travelers, making it a go-to resource for travel information and planning. They have a very big and global coverage. Tripadvisor's platform covers destinations around the world with contents that are available in multiple languages, attracting a diverse and truly global user base. They have an extensive user-generated content. Tripadvisor boasts an extensive collection of user-generated reviews, photos, and forums, providing valuable insight and first-hand experiences for a wide range of travel services and destinations. In 2018 alone, 66 million reviews were received, generating a mass of information to be examined, verified, and published of enormous scope and difficulty. And the last, of course, the platform offers various travel-related content and services, including accommodation, restaurants, attractions, and experiences, making it a one-stop shop for travelers and provides direct booking option for hotel, flights, and experiences while enhancing convenience for user and generating additional revenue streams through commissions. These are the weakness points. First of all, the competition from other platforms and dependence on Google. Tripadvisor faces stiff competition from other travel review websites, booking platforms, and tech giants entering the travel industry, eroding its market share. Among other things, Tripadvisor's visibility partly depends on its positioning in search engines, in particular Google. changes in search algorithm or increased competition from Google Travel may affect traffic to Tripadvisor's platform. The second point is the dependence on user-generated content with content and fake review management. This is very important. While user-generated reviews are central to Tripadvisor's value proposition, their management can lead to inconsistencies in quality and reliability, potentially impacting user trust. Furthermore, managing the authenticity and the quality of millions of user-generated reviews is a significant challenge, as fake or biased reviews could potentially compromise the platform's credibility. Another important point is the difficult structural innovation, and we will see when we speak about the try has been done with Tripadvisor Plus that has had not a very interesting final result. And the final point is the vulnerability of the revenue model. The company revenue, which is heavily dependent on advertising and booking commissions, may be vulnerable to economic downturns and changes in consumer travel behavior, impacting financial stability. The opportunities for developing Tripadvisor, making it increasingly competitive and updated, concern various fields of action. And I will leave out of this list the opportunities related to the technological innovations, which are the focus of the demand for this job. So we start speaking about expanding Tripadvisor into new markets. There are important opportunities for growth by expanding Tripadvisor presence in emerging travel market where internet penetration and interest in travel are, of course, increasing. Second point are the local experiences and activities, because there is a growing trend toward local and authentic travel experiences. Another point is the sustainable and responsible travel. As travelers become more environmentally conscious, Tripadvisor can promote sustainable and responsible travel options, including eco-friendly accommodation and activities. Another point is the research of partnerships and collaborations, forming strategic partnership with airlines, hotel chains, and local tourism bodies can provide new revenue streams and content for the Tripadvisor platform. Of course, a good opportunity can be the realization of subscription services, and the Tripadvisor Plus experience must not make us forget the incredible heritage made up of 1 billion users, most of whom are profiled. The negative experience must indeed help management to find new forms and solutions to be able to exploit this incredible potential, perhaps by asking for help from the new technologies which I will talk about later. And now, at the end of the analysis, we are speaking about threats. The threats are the search engine dependency, because as we said, the Tripadvisor's visibility depends in part on search engine rankings. Second point are the technological disruptions and ongoing updates in technology. The technological advances, such as the artificial intelligence-powered travel assistant or blockchain for secure booking, could disrupt the traditional travel planning and booking process, potentially sidelining platforms like Tripadvisor, which must therefore always be updated and controlled to avoid dangerous technological gaps. Another threat point is the intense competition. Of course, the online travel market is highly competitive, with numerous operators offering reviews, platforms, booking services, and travel consultancy. New competitors and established companies, including Google Travel and Airbnb, as well the incumbent Booking.com, significantly threaten Tripadvisor market share. Another important point is the fake reviews and trust issues. The credibility of user-generated content is crucial for Tripadvisor. Very, very important. The platform is constantly threatened by fake reviews, which can undermine user trust and the integrity of its recommendation. And the last point, of course, is connected to the dependence on the advertising revenue. As previously mentioned, a significant portion of the Tripadvisor's revenue comes from advertising, making it vulnerable to economic cycles and change in advertisers' spending priorities. In this situation, Tripadvisor in the last years have tried to find other form of revenues, other form of point of contact with this amazing target of 1 billion of users they have. And they've launched Tripadvisor Plus. That at the start was a very, very good and important and innovative idea. So the idea was to realize a subscription from the Tripadvisor users being a Tripadvisor Plus users, and the price was $99 per year for services and discounted rates. The idea it was that if only the 1% of the users, that as we said are 1 billion per year, had adopted the proposal, a project with 10 million subscribers would have been created. This, multiplied by $99 each, would have generated an annual profit of almost 1 billion USD. So commercially the idea was very, very good. But the realization, after the strategy, the tactical have killed the project, because from the beginning the project encountered problems and resistances. A specific feature of the offer was discounted hotel rates. These offers were designed to be displayed behind a paywall so that only subscribers could see them, but Tripadvisor instead exposed the discount to the general public because it needed to convince more people to sign up. But this change in agreement injured hotels, condemning the program. So this also with the hotel that are determined to attract direct traffic to their proprietary site did not intend to develop the Tripadvisor brand. We can speak about Google Travel that was made for something like this to solve the problem and to send the potential clients directly to the proprietary site of the different hotel. Finally, we arrive to the central focus point of the assignment. That is how we can help with the IT-based business solution, the development of Tripadvisor for the next future. The improvement and development of the services offered through the implementation of the IT-based solution must be the center of attention of an organization that thrives on technology, that offers technology, and which therefore must grow and develop consistently with technology. Among other things, in the luxury management course, we saw how the future of consumption and therefore the potential customer of the coming years are those defined as Y generation of millennials and more Z generation, who reward and prefer proposals that use update and advanced technologies. I want to highlight two areas of technological intervention. One, linked to the infrastructural aspects, and therefore more time-consuming, difficult and expensive to implement. And one, to the application of existing technologies on the Tripadvisor offer model. Speaking about the infrastructural aspect, of course, 2 points can be the optimization of the mobile platform, with the growing use of mobile devices for travel planning and booking. Improving the mobile app experience can attract more users and drive engagement. And of course, connected with this is the possibility to own search engine. Given the importance of what is at stake, also considering the Tripadvisor annual turnover is over almost 1,800 million USD in 2023, the hypothesis of providing Tripadvisor with its own search engine should be considered, allowing it to overcome the dependence from Google and other search engines. Tripadvisor activity is on the web, and not be able to control the main tools of its value offering is too risky for the entire organization. Certainly, this strategy could subject Tripadvisor to repercussion and reaction from Google, which has already carried out a strong retaliation against Booking.com with the creation and launch of Google Travel. And this experience could probably help in defining common objective and strategy before arriving at a direct clash. Speaking about the application of existing technologies on the Tripadvisor offer model, I would like to underline the enhanced personalization with artificial intelligence. By leveraging data analytic and artificial intelligence, Tripadvisor can arrive to offer more personalized recommendation and trip planning tools, improving user engagement and satisfaction. The improving of user profiling, achievable thanks to simple promotional and marketing operation, could lead to the provision of truly personalized services, also following the indication already indicated for the new specific subsector, such as, for an example, eco-friendly tourism. The specialization supported by the activities deriving from other group companies such as Viator can generate interesting returns and satisfactions. Another point is the exploration of the virtual reality. Another field that could be developed concerns the inclusion of virtual reality proposal that can help the user to experience in advance the sensation and experience that they will have once traveling. Virtual reality technology, among other things, could be made available to strategic partners, hotel, airlines, etc., and therefore could generate new revenues. And finally, using this technology, we can arrive to a content diversification, and building on what was said for virtual reality, expanding the range of content, including more videos and interactive media, can improve the user experience and provide richer information for travel planning. An example of a new technological service that is easy to implement could be the creation of a GPS Tripadvisor for geolocalization and help in following direction, maps, and discoveries. So, in conclusion, we can say that the world of offers linked to the travel on internet is very, very competitive, dynamic, linked to many different variables and players, but it is also extremely profitable. It is therefore worth it for Tripadvisor management to constantly update its offer, inserting new features and new search keys, constantly improving its content offer, using the latest immersive technologies to make the visit to the site truly qualified and satisfied.